Welcome, I'm Kate, one of Neff's freelance home economists. Today I want to introduce you to one of the many of the fabulous Neff ovens. This is the B58 VT68, so it's from our N90 range, top of the range, fabulous oven with 15 different main functions on it. We're going to look at CircoTherm today because CircoTherm being the go-to one, most people will use that. Now you'll see, looking at the screen here, we've got a fabulous large size colour screen, and it's one of our full touch machines, so all you need to do is press the display and you can change the temperature and the functions. Now we'll go through the functions a bit at a time, but for the moment I want to just focus on the CircoTherm. So I have set this oven at CircoTherm at 180, and we're going to display the 4 levels of cooking. Because the airflow with CircoTherm, unique to Neff, is it has this fantastic airflow that covers each shelf, it envelops it. It's got a reversing fan which allows for it to always be at the same temperature for every shelf, and then for it all to cook at the same time. So if you were putting cookies in there, all of them would come in and out at the same time. I want to show how you can affect the fact that there will be no mingling of flavours by putting in a sweet dish and a savoury dish. So we've got some lovely toasties. These are the fabulous Neff Toasties. I've got some with smoked salmon and others with lovely goat's cheese, so quite strong flavours. But the biscuits, we've got some fabulous ginger nut biscuits in there, are not going to taste of any of the fish, nor will the ginger biscuits give flavour to the toasties. As you will see, I've put this on the rack. Again, with the CircoTherm airflow, it allows the air to envelop that shelf but also underneath the rack. These toasties are one of those really special anytime eat foods. Very simple. I've just got some bread that I have buttered the bottom, and then on the top we've just spread it with a lovely mixture of smoked salmon, which I've chopped up with some soft cheese and a little bit of dill. You could add some horseradish or a bit of lemon. Plenty of choice there. But because of that fabulous airflow, you can see we've got a nice toasted bottom to the bread, as well as having this lovely crisp topping. So just going to cut those into some nice slices, and then we will get out our other flavour. So the beauty of CircoTherm is, again, so no mingling of flavours, cooking on all 4 shelves. Of course, you don't need to use all 4 shelves at once, but you have that option there. So let's get the mushroom. So this one is a mixture of caramelised onion with goat's cheese. Now you notice there on the telescopic rails, I was able to bring the food out without having to lift it. Let me show you that one again. So, which is so important. Now this is the unique hide and slide, unique to Neff, because as you can see, it's got that soft close to it, but the way it slides underneath. So nothing to get in the way of your cooking, not even a door. But it also means you've got really easy access to it. you can get right the way in and lift it with ease. Something being shorter, that suits me really nicely. Anyway, let's just have a little cut of these. So these are our lovely toasties, anytime snack. And some fabulous crispy ginger nut biscuits. Let's just put these onto here. I always think of these as they could be a brunch, they could be a lunch. It's whatever you want them to be. So these ones are our smoked salmon with a little bit of dill on there. And our others are the ones that we're going to pull out on the fabulous telescopic rail with the goat's cheese and the caramelised onion. Again, that lovely airflow gives a crispy bottom to it. Now you could top these with just about anything that you would like to put on there, be it some cooked ham, with a little bit of mustard on there. You're spoilt for choice. Now all our recipes you will find on the Neff website, also on the dealers' websites of the kitchens where we sell our appliances. That's a nice way just to start the day using one of our very much go-to functions. Ginger nut biscuits. Who wouldn't want their coffee with a biscuit? Now these are lovely crispy ones. With having a soft food in there, you're still going to get that lovely crunch on it. Anyone for a biscuit?